In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Notebooklm as a student. Notebooklm is a study-friendly workspace where you can upload class materials and then ask questions that are answered using only those sources. This helps you stay organized and focused on your actual readings, lectures, and references. First, go to Notebooklm and select the option that says Create New. Think of this as starting a fresh notebook for a single class, unit, or project. Keeping one notebook per subject makes it easier to find your material later and reduces confusion when you begin asking questions. Next, add your study sources by choosing Upload. This is where you bring in the information you want Notebooklm to use. You can upload PDFs, add URLs from reliable websites, or pull in files from Google Drive. Try to upload clean, complete documents whenever possible, like your lecture slides, assigned readings, lab instructions, or study guides. If a file is missing pages or the text is hard to read, the results may be less accurate. After your sources are added, give it a moment to process them so everything is searchable and ready to use. Once your notebook is set up, look to the right-hand sidebar for Studio. This area includes tools like Audio Overview and Video Overview. Studio is useful when you want a quick summary-style explanation to help you review content, especially before a quiz or when you are trying to understand the big picture. Use these overviews as a starting point, then return to the original sources for details and exact wording. Now move to the chat box at the bottom and type a specific question to query your sources. Specific questions get the best results. Ask for definitions, comparisons, key takeaways, or explanations of a concept using the language from your materials. If you are studying for an exam, you can also ask for practice questions based on the uploaded content. When you get a helpful response, click the Save to Note icon to pin it to your board. This is a great way to collect the best explanations, summaries, and study points in one place so you can review them later without re-asking the same questions. That covers everything you need to know.